Hello and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I just got back from a field trip to the Goldfish seafood market. They're newish here in the Yuba City area. They're located in Yuba City. Um, wow. I'll be showing video and pictures throughout this video.
Goldfish Seafood does fresh fish. With that day, we had salmon, and they had tilapia fillets, and you could do a surf and turf. They had lobster tail, king crab, wild caught, and just freezer case after freezer case of seafood that came up from their warehouse in LA. More salmon, and crab cakes and smoked salmon. Just a great assortment. Plenty of shrimp. If you're a shrimp lover, this is the place. Just types of different counts and weights. Some whitefish that just came up from LA, and oysters, and hot sauces and things for Cioppino. These are the shrimp I used last Friday, and here they are thawed.
I hope you enjoyed your virtual tour to the Goldfish seafood market. I know I enjoyed being there. I know where I'm getting my seafood in the near future. Fresh, quality, and affordable. Here's their contact information. Also, here is the web address for the main store down in Los Angeles. Have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.